Right, I'm on holiday in Scotland, as most people know. Now, I watched a video from Romany Pirates, and they were actually looking at another van, and they were in Brotherton, just up road from where I live. So, and they're on about getting a Luton. So I thought I'd make a. I hadn't actually done a van tour of mine for ages, because the last video that we're on, I think I'll still build it. Well, I am still building it, but I hadn't shown you progress for ages. So I thought I'd do this and see what Romany Pirates think, because they're on about building a Luton. Now this one's, I've built this one, and have a quick walk around it. This Luton though, it's as big as Luton. You can't get one much bigger than this, to be honest. So it is a bit of a pain in the bum to park. When you're in Scotland, I like to go climbing Munro mountains, and sometimes it's awkward to get this parked up. So you've got to plan a lot more careful. Don't you ever? Plan more careful where you're going to park. Now, so I'll have a look around this one. Now we'll look inside here. Right, in here is where it's under bed, but also it's the it's where all the electronics are. Most people have seen my vids, will have seen all this, but I'm doing this just to I'm just thinking Romany Pirates might be interested. Anyway, that's a grey water tank, and normally it's open, runs out to the floor, but I'm on a site, so I've left it being shut. That's me 200 litre, you know, water tank. And then I've got, that's a nitrate, that green thing, but it's a Propex nitrate. It runs on propane, and that is my hot water heater, which is a Propex Malaga. And then I can be all hooked up. That's a router, because it's all connected to internet. And so that's, and there's my lithium batteries. I've got 400 watts of lithium. There's 800 watts of solar panels up roof. I've put underslung gas tanks on it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. This is under there. There's my underslung gas tanks. 2 of them. They're 30 litres a piece. So we've got 60 litres of gas. You fill them up there, and then you have got a lot more room. One of these inside. Them little round things there are lights. There's some big lights up there under awning, but they're too bright on the night really. 2 of them. So I've put these in there like mood lighting under your awning, and then I'll just shut that. Oh, something where? I'll figure it out in a minute what's going on with that. Right, what's up with that? Just me being daft. Right, so there's another window to go in that door. It's a round window, like a portal, so it looks like one of them lamps, but it's bigger, so it'll match. So that's the idea with that. Right, so let's just go and have a look inside. And hang on, Eva. Right, so inside, this is what I've done. The Luton bit on this one is that big, you could have made it into a bed, but I haven't made it into a bed. I've made it into, it's storage, because I do a lot of walking. It's storage for rucksack, walking boots, and I sort of designed it all for these things, so they all form the clothes in there. And there's obviously lights in it. And then I've got them lights, and you can make them brighter, change colour of them. Well, you got one white, a cool white. That's all I wanted. Now, when I'm sat here, I've got my little desk here, my computer, and this is all the Victron stuff. This tells you what's going on. It tells you how much solar. At the moment, I'm pulling 533 watts of flipping solar. So the sun is obviously out, and the batteries are getting charged back up. I'm inverting, because the only thing mains at the moment is laptops charging up 30 odd watts. But I'm pulling plenty from solar panels at the moment. Because that battery was down at 80% this morning, and it's been overcast, but obviously now the sun's out, it's making up for it. It'll be charged up soon. And I've got gas tank valves there. That's me. That tells you how much gas you've got in each tank. I've got an electronic electronic valve on each tank, so I don't have to do it by hand. That's me control for me max air fan up there. There's Ava the Raver. Wants to play ball all the time, 24/7. Oh yeah, hey. Right, I've got a Thetford duplex cooker and a Thetford 3 hob burner. A microwave goes there, but, you know, I haven't got it with me. That's their cupboards, or there will be. There's going to be drawers and bottom cupboard for pans. But it's not finished, like I said. And then underneath here, these are seats, but also, hang on, then I can open it. Underneath there, we've got a fridge. That one's set up as a fridge. That one under there set up as a freezer. They're both same unit. And then that's, I've got to cut out into cab, but there's no door on it yet. There's no door on that yet. Like I said, I'm still building it. I've got storage under that step. There's going to be a pull-out pantry there. The night heater at the moment only comes to there, but it's going to come out and round and out in the bottom. And there'll be another one there coming out of that hole and coming out to there. So then we've got my sink. You'll have to excuse it, but I should have made bed first, shouldn't I, have to do it, but I haven't done. Because I've just come back from pub. I've been for a pub dinner, me and Ava. So that's my bed. Bit scruffy, I know. And up there, it's cupboards. There's a projector goes in the middle one, because these hooks. There's a hook there, and there's a hook there. And I've got a big screen that pulls down on there, so I've got like a 50-inch telly. And them cables hanging down, that's for surround sound that's going in, it's not in yet. And then I've got lights under here. Oop, they dim. And then on the night, they're like blue, if you want a night light. And then there's going to be more lighting in here, but I haven't fitted it in yet. That's for hanging stuff. Not people, obviously. Not big enough. You know, clothes. And then I've got this worktop. It'll have some. Can't get any wood oil on yet. I've only just finished it. And I've got. That's the water pump. That's my hot water, which is my Propect Malagate. It can run on gas or mains, so it's wired into inverter as well, so I can have hot water pretty quick. That's me night heater. And when you look back here, hang on Ava, I'll play in a minute. When you look back here, that's my shower. And here, so let's open that, put my light on. Oh, let's shut the toilet. Now you don't want to see that, do you? Shut the toilet. Hang on Ava, you crazy girl. So yeah, that's me shower. But I've got body jets. 6 body jets instead of having a thing over your head to save room really. So, you know, even though it's a big van this, I've decided to have body jets. And that's an extractor fan. It's also a max air extractor fan, a smaller one. And that's got lights in. There's more lights in this shower than there is in the rest of the flipping van. So that's in there. I've got a portal in so you can peep in. See who's having a shower, or peep out and see who's in the van. So that's it really. So that's looking back from the shower area. But yeah, there's a lot more room in here, and I've got a fixed bed. I can't be doing not having a fixed bed. I can't be doing parking up after it. If I've been walking, I don't want to be flipping faffing about making a bed up. If I'm tired after climbing a mountain, all I want to do is jump in bed and go to sleep. So he is. Anyway, so there we go. That's the inside of the van as it is now. So, but yeah, only downside of the van this big is deciding where you're going to park it. That's trouble. I've not got everywhere I've wanted to park I've been able to do, but it's been a bit touch and go, you know what I mean, some places. In fact, tomorrow morning's park up's going to be, I'm going to have to get off early, otherwise if anyone else is sort of there, it only holds about 10 vans, but this is about the size of 3 of them, is this, so you need to spot. Right, so there we go, that's a van tour of the van as it is now. Hey Ava says we're playing ball, so okay. There we go.